Hey guys, we're back with another recipe, 30-minute paleo meals. Today we're going to do Indian shrimp curry. No picture this time, but there is the recipe right there. And then as you can see, the next recipe will be the rosemary shrimp skewers. I love shrimp, so these will be good, exciting recipes for me to try. So the first thing we're going to do is, let me bring you guys down here so you can see. So I've got a pound of shrimp here. And then we're going to combine some turmeric with it. I got this fancy bottle of turmeric right here from TJ Maxx. And we're going to do half a teaspoon of turmeric. And then we're going to add salt. And that's a half a teaspoon too. Salt, and then that's it. But we're gonna toss it in this plastic bag here because it's supposed to marinate for 5 minutes in the refrigerator. I'm probably gonna put some more turmeric in the bag just because a lot of it ended up on the bowl, so I'm gonna put some more turmeric in the bag. And then we will, I don't know how this is considered a marinade when it's all dry ingredients, but whatever. It is what it is. It turns the shrimp orange. So we're going to stick this in the refrigerator and then work on the rest of the recipe. So then we're going to do some kind of fancy paste. So I've got, let me bring you guys over here to my blender here, and we're going to put a cup of cilantro. I've got some cilantro already cut up in this bowl here. This page does not want to stay down, so I'm having to use something to keep it down. So we're going to just add the cilantro in there. And then we're going to add, oh, I forgot garlic. I didn't even see that on the list. Huh! It says garlic in step number 3, but in the list of things to have ready, it does not say garlic on there at all. That is mistake number 2 in this recipe book, and we're only in chapter 2, so I don't know if garlic is supposed to be in there or not, but I like garlic, so we're going to add garlic in there. We'll just add a tablespoon of garlic. And then we're going to put jalapenos. So I had 2 jalapenos. I diced them up. See if you guys can see it there. This made me cough. These ones were pretty strong this time. There we go. And then we're going to put this into a fine paste. You know what? Oh yeah, I did it. Okay. Grab a spatula. Bring this down a little bit off the sides. Smells good. Show you what it looks like. We'll just put it back in this bowl here. wonder if a blender would be better. I could try that really quickly and see if it works better. Instead of a food processor, use a blender. I'm going to put you guys on pause and grab that really quick. Okay, so now we're back with this food processor here and see if it works. You gotta turn it on, babe. What about that? Really soft. There you go.
You don't have enough material.
I know, I said that, and I could have used that.
No, that wouldn't do no different.
Okay, putting it back in this bowl. Now it's going to be even more hard because it's all at the bottom. Put you guys back on pause. Another disaster. Okay guys, we're moving on. Hopefully this recipe keeps at least going in some kind of good direction here and that it tastes good. So we're putting a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet here. We're going to grab those shrimp and we're going to saute them. Just kind of spreading that around. It says heat the olive oil in a large deep saute over high heat. So I've got it on high heat. Add the shrimp and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes or until pink and opaque. Transfer the shrimp to the bowl and cover with foil. So I've got a bowl here. We have some aluminum foil here. We'll put that off to the side here. And then we will grab the shrimp here that's been marinating. They look colorful, that's for sure. I'm just going to put this back on a little bit lower heat here. Put these on here. Now turn it down a little bit and then flip them. They're cooking pretty fast. Turmeric is supposed to be really, really good for you, so these shrimp hopefully will have some good flavor. Like this one is got a lot of turmeric powder on it, so it's turning red. But okay, so now we're taking the shrimp and putting it in that bowl here. And then we're going to add in the paste to our existing saute pan here. The shrimp look really good actually. I like the color. I think the flavor is going to be there. Very pretty for sure. Let me show you guys that really quickly. Get these in there. Very pretty. Very red, orange color there, and then we're just going to put this over there to keep the steam in there, keep them hot. And then we're going to do the next thing. This is, it says step 4, add the cilantro paste to the saute pan and stir for 1 minute until fragment. So I am just going to hopefully undo this bottom part here if I can. I guess that works too. There we go. Grab my, put it on. For 1 minute it said. Smells really good. I don't mind jalapenos. It's just, this dish does not have anything in here that I wouldn't eat, so that's good. Cilantro is not my favorite, but I'm okay with it. Just continuously stirring it so it doesn't stick to the bottom here. We're on medium-high heat. And then we're going to add in some tomatoes. So I've got 2 tomatoes chopped up here, so we're going to add this. And then we're going to add in cumin and coriander, a teaspoon of each. So I've got some coriander right here. And then some cumin. Very Indian dish for sure. And then it says to stir this around for another minute. Go ahead and just put my timer on here. Very colorful, very pretty. This serves 4 people, it says. So it doesn't look like a whole lot, but I kind of prefer that than having too much in a recipe. Like that coleslaw was way too much. I think that served like 12 people, but for me and just my husband, that was way too much food, for sure. I don't mind trying these recipes, but I don't like to waste things either. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a cup of water. Grab that. Add a cup of water. It says add a cup of water and mix well, bring to boil, and then reduce heat to medium and simmer for 10 minutes. So we're going to let this simmer for 10 minutes and then we're going to add the shrimp in and then we are good to go. We're going to try this dish. So we're going to let this simmer for 10 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay guys, this has been boiling for about 10 minutes, so it's got like 13 seconds left. It smells amazing, so it looks really, really good. And then we're going to add in the shrimp here. Back in. This beautiful shrimp. We're going to add this wonderful orange color into this. And then we're going to just saute this for probably 3 or 4 minutes if you like. that flavor on there. It smells amazing. And this is all you gotta do. So this is the wonderful dish. It looks beautiful. It looks just colorful. I love the look of it. So I'm gonna let this simmer for 3 minutes and then we will try it. Okay guys, we're back to try this beautiful meal here. So we're gonna just take the shrimp here and try it. I hope that it has some good flavor. Definitely good. Okay. I know it's not paleo, but under some rice, I think this would be really good. To soak up the flavors in the rice. Very, very good though. I could eat this whole thing myself, but I have to share with my husband. I love shrimp. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.